All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I want to answer the question, is the Home Business Academy still worth it in 2025? If it's still worth you investing in it, it's still worth you, pursuing as a home-based business, as a residual income opportunity where you can actually make and earn residual income. But a better question would be, and this is what I'm asking you right now since you are viewing this video, is are you worth being a member of the Home Business Academy? Because with the Home Business Academy, we are looking for people who are not self-serving, but people who are willing to serve others, people who have integrity, people who are willing to do what they have to do in order to succeed online, following principles, that actually align with HBA itself. And I have been a member of HBA for quite a few years now. I went and joined some other opportunities, but I never left the Home Business Academy simply because I know that the owners of the Home Business Academy have your best interest at heart. They have their affiliate interests at heart, and they are really, truly looking to serve and help other people. And here's the thing. They created this company simply because they have been a part of other companies that shut down, changed the compensation plan, did some unethical things that they were not proud of, and that they no longer wanted to be a part of. So they started the Home Business Academy back, I believe, in 2016. And when they started that company, they started it to really help people earn residual income. Now, there's nothing wrong with one-time sales. There's a program out there selling $1,000 products one time. You earn that one-time sale. That's cool. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you love residual income, whereas if I sell this person a $900 product, that's one time. That person has bought, that person has gone on about that business. But what if I can sell that same person, several products that pay up to 80% commissions, meaning they can earn up to $120 per month in residual income. You can earn up to $128 per month in residual income, and that same person stays with you in the long term, because they are getting value from the Home Business Academy, because they are getting the help they need with the Home Business Academy. They love the integrity of the company with the Home Business Academy. And like I said before, yes, I'm a part of some other things, but the Home Business Academy is the main thing. You have to understand the Home Business Academy gives you the tools that you need, the training that you need, and the love that you need in this community. There are very seldom few network marketing companies where you, unless you are top ranked, can actually reach out and connect with the owners of the company. It's like the other day, I sent Paul a text message and Paul texts me back. I send Mike a message on Facebook, concerning something, and Mike contacts me back. That's integrity. That's the type of support that I'm looking for, because when someone has a question and they ask me and I don't know the answer to that question, I can forward that question to the owners of the company, and the owners of the company gets back with me so I can help and serve the person that I'm trying to help. That's the beauty of the Home Business Academy. Now, the Home Business Academy has tools, as I said before. They have training, as I said before, and they have the support and a loving community that I believe that you would, feel secure with and would love to be a part of. But here's the thing. You have to make up your mind that you want to be a part of the Home Business Academy community. Here's another thing. Some people seem to think that the Home Business Academy is a hard sell. It's hard to promote the Home Business Academy. No, it's not. There are different angles that you can go with inside of the Home Business Academy where you can start earning passive income. The Home Business Academy affiliate program, they have 4 core products. Okay, one is Let's Go, the other one is the Funnel Builder, the other one is Premium. Okay, traffic and conversion training, and the other one is the Financial Literacy Academy, which is a one-time sale. But the other 3 that I mentioned first, they are residual income. Let's Go, $8 per month in residual income. The Funnel Builder, $20 per month in residual income. Premium, $100 per month in residual income. 2 sales of each one of those, okay, you're in profit. But you have to be a owner, or you have to be a part of that particular, product. You have to own the product in order to earn from the product, and it just makes sense. Okay, so if you want to earn $8 residual income, you just get Let's Go. If you want to earn $20 residual income, just get the Funnel Builder. If you want to earn $100 in residual income, just get the Premium. If you just want to make one-time sales, then sell the Financial Literacy Academy. You can earn up to $800 per sale with that. 80% commission on everything. But what if you can earn $128 per month on all 3 of the core products? And to put icing on the cake, have one-time sales of the Financial Literacy Academy. So let me show you what you're going to get, okay, when you decide that you're going to join the Home Business Academy by clicking the link in the description. You don't have to opt in to anything. Just go to it, fill out your information, and get started today. So let me show you what you're going to get when you actually join the Home Business Academy with me today. All right, if you're still with me, we are here on the Home Business Academy website, and we're on the home page of the Home Business Academy. You're going to see this video by Paul here explaining everything to you. But our vision in the Home Business Academy is inspiring and empowering freedom through principle-centered leadership. Our core values is quality, simplicity, putting people first, and making a difference. For all the product purchase, we donate a small portion of revenue to help feed hungry children. So you can see that on this page here. As far as the products are concerned, we have, which I've already mentioned, we have the Let's Go app. You can see this video here and read up on it here, everything that we have here. The next thing that we have is the HBA Funnel Builder. Okay, there are a lot of funnel builders out there. I know System.io, ClickFunnels, and Go High Level, and all of those tools out there. Yes, they are available to you, but this one only costs you, or your investment for this is $25 per month. You earn a $20 residual income. Show me another funnel builder that's paying you or compensating you up to 80% commissions. Okay, and this little tool does everything that all of the other tools does. The only difference in this one is you have to have an outside autoresponder, which is not a problem. You can use GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, or Active Campaigns, whatever autoresponder that you're already using. Okay, the other product that we have is HBA Premium Traffic and Conversion, that's going to help you start generating traffic. See, a lot of people jump around from a lot of opportunities simply because they're not making money in HBA, or they're not making money with it. It's not the product, it's not the company, it's you, and you're not learning how to do traffic and conversions the right way. You don't know how to get leads, you don't know how to convert them leads, you're not willing to reach out to your lead, you're not willing to make content in order to get leads. Okay, that's something we teach you how to do in HBA Premium Traffic and Conversion, generating traffic and leads online, gathering customers, and converting sales. That's what we do in the Home Business Academy. Okay, so you have that. Next is the Financial Literacy Academy. What's the use in making money if you don't know how to keep the money and have your money making babies for you? That's what we teach you inside of the Financial Literacy Academy. So I know you're going to get, a lot of value from this. It's going to show you debt elimination, tax strategies, retirement plan strategies, record and bookkeeping online, how how to be a long-term cash flow with rental property, stress-free property management, assets protection 101, business entity and setup maintenance, and more. Okay, so you get this from all this training. That's everything you're going to get within the Home Business Academy. Okay, so if you come back up here, let's look at the compensation plan. Is it still worth it? Look at the compensation plan. You can hear it here, short video that explains it. But if you come down here, it's just real simple. All three of the core products, okay, your investment is going to be $160 per month, okay? But you earn 80% residual income on each product. So now you are making or investing $128 per month. But once you get 2 sales on each product, you're now earning $256 profit. Okay, so now you're in profit with just 2 people. Okay, with the Let's Go app, it's $16 profit. With the Funnel Builder, $40 profit. Premium, $200 profit. All of them together combined is $256 profit. Now you have to make up your mind. What do you want to earn per month? $1,280 per month, $3,200 per month, $6,400 per month, $8,960 per month, $12,000 per month. And the number of people you need to earn $3,200 per month is only 25 people who are investing $128 per month in residual income. And you can look at the different pay scales here, commission structure here. If somebody just gets to Let's Go, 10 people pays you 80, 25 pays you 200. Funnel Builder, 25 pays you 500. Premium, 125 that they're investing pays you, $2,500 in commissions. If they get them all, $3,200. And who's to say that if you get someone in the Let's Go that they are not going to invest in the Funnel Builder or the Premium or the Financial Literacy Academy? You have to understand, you have to be a product of the product in order to explain the product and know anything about the product in order for other people to get the products. Okay, you need to be a member of HBA. Yes, it's still worth it. Yes, you can still earn money. There are several different ways that you can use HBA to earn affiliate commissions in the home-based business arena and to be a top performing affiliate marketer inside of the Home Business Academy. So that is as simply as that. And then you can check out some reviews here as well. Here, if you want to check that out, you can do that as well. So we have reviews here, both video and written reviews as well here inside of the Home Business Academy. Yes, I recommend the Home Business Academy. You can make money with the Home Business Academy, but how much you make, if you make anything, is totally up to you. That's what you have to decide you want to do with the Home Business Academy. So is it still worth it? Yes, it is. Are you willing to make it worth your time, worth your effort? That is the question. If you are ready to do that, click the link in the description below. You are going to come to this page right here, fill in your name, your contact information here, name, email address, email confirmation, phone number, your billing information. Choose your payment method that you are ready to get started with. Okay, you can unlock your potential earning, get 2 weeks free, of the Home Business Traffic and Conversion HBA Premium. After that, it's going to be $125 monthly starting in 2 weeks. That gives you enough time to get in on the training to see what HBA is all about. I can guarantee you, you'll never find another company out there that's doing what HBA is doing. Get the Let's Go app. If you don't want any of those, if you don't want them, just come and invest your $25. But I highly recommend you tick this box. Your investment will be $35 today. Tick this box. Go through the order process. Your investment today, you're going to get over $12,411 worth of value. You can go and look at the bonuses on the page, okay, when you click the link that's in the description below. I'm looking forward to working with you. If you have any questions, my contact information will be above. You can hit me up on Facebook. Click that link in the description to get started today. And we're looking forward to having you inside of the Home Business Academy. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.